Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created a gray, blue, and black ombre hair color. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the cut that I was going for. It's very popular. This little blunt bob everyone's doing. So I'm going to add some spice to it by adding some color. So just join me while I do that. Okay, so I'm going in with my Ion Titanium. As you can see here, this is what the hair is looking like before we begin. If you would like to see a video on that, I'll try to leave a link down below how I created the haircut. So right here, I'm just working in the lace closure portion because that's the first thing you're going to see, and I'm going to work my way down. So I'm using my comb in order to get close to the hairline without staining the lace, hopefully. It's a little bit difficult with this particular texture because it's very thick. It's like really thick, like toothpaste almost, I guess. No, actually it's thicker than toothpaste. But I'm doing the best that I can. I'm trying to get really close to the roots because the last thing I want to have is white roots or blonde roots or 613 roots, and then have like the gray coming from that. So I thought that was going to look kind of awkward. So this is what I'm doing in order to get very close to the root without having to stain my lace. So yeah, I'm still working that color through. Now in hindsight, I'm thinking maybe I should have gotten like maybe 2 or 3 boxes because I was using the product straight. And normally you add conditioner or the diluter that most of these companies make that go with their semi-permanent. But I decided, you know, I was going to try because I wanted the color to be like totally gray. And that's what I was trying to attempt right here. But it's just a little bit more difficult if you don't add like a conditioner. But I mean, the color came out really great, the Ion Titanium. And if you ever had like 613 hair or something like that, I would suggest getting it because I mean, it really does make your hair gray. And yeah, we're just gonna see me work that color down because like I said, I'm trying to get an ombre effect, and I'm just going to show you how. So maybe you can do this at home. Okay, so the next step that I'm going to do is go to Framesi Fram Bold hair color and the color Smoky. I'm going to use that as an ombre to work my way down, going from a lighter gray, and it was supposed to have been a smoky gray color, but anyway, so we're just working our way down, and yeah, that's what you see me doing here. And I'm trying to emulsify that hair color because, like I said, these semi-permanent hair colors are very thick, and the last thing you want to have is like a lighter pieces in between all of this, and it's just not going to look very good. So that's what you see me doing here. So I don't know if you can see the Frambold Smoky is a lot darker than the Titanium by Ion. So I'm trying to get that ombre-esque effect. It looks almost black, but it's not, I promise you. I made sure I got it out of the right bottle, and I'm using my fingertips to try to smudge that color in. And I'm using my comb to make sure that I get every strand and nothing's left out. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here, I'm just combing the hair color through. I'm making sure everything is nice and evenly coated. It's a little bit difficult because, like I said, this product is very pasty-like, and you barely can squeeze it through the strands. So I'm just doing the best that I can. I'm making sure I'm going over everything before I move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm going in with my next step, which is the Wella Color Charm in 1N. I've used semi-permanent hair colors in the black, and I don't feel like I'm getting enough coverage, so I decided to try something different this time. So I'm just going to take it and do it at the very ends, apply the black demi-permanent hair color to make sure I get enough depth in the ends, and we can get that total gray to black ombre-esque hair color. So as you can see, I have it in my little applicator squeeze bottle to make it easier for application, and I'm just working that color through, making sure I get every strand, because the last thing I want to have is like blonde hair spots inside like black or gray or blue or whatever. Okay, so right here I'm just working up the head, trying to concentrate on the very ends, but trying to make sure I get a nice even blend. So I'm smoothing that color out, catching the pieces that I wasn't able to catch the first time with the semi-permanent hair colors, and that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the results of the transformation. Here's what the hair color looked like before, 613 blonde hair, and here's what it's looking like after. Okay, to be honest with you, I wasn't liking the middle color. I was expecting a gray and I got a blue, so I decided after looking at the color, I noticed that I didn't like how weak that color was, so I decided to go with my Framesi Bold electric blue. I mean, since it was already blue, I decided to go with the blue. Yeah, so that's what I did here. I'm thinking maybe I didn't, because I didn't tone it, because I was expecting like a blue to come through if I added the tone. I don't know, because it would have been the violet shampoo on top of the blue, which would have made it like blue or whatever. But not sure exactly what happened. I mean, because usually I had the best luck with the smoky, because I did another video. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description as far as like the video where I actually used the blue. But I was trying to get this this gray color down, but anyway, so it didn't turn out quite like I wanted to, so I decided, well, if we're gonna do blue, let's go blue all the way. So I decided to use the Ion electric blue for that middle color. And I'm just showing you here how I'm working that color through. I'm just going back in track by track and adding the blue and making sure that it's combed through, and I'm working that color through. I'm trying to get that nice ombre effect by smoothing it between my two fingers and making sure that I don't have any blonde hair color left over. Okay, so here is the finished results. Me personally, I like this color. It looks really nice. It's very good for a person who's very bold and who isn't afraid of hair color. I think they would enjoy this very well. And let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.